Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Fish Market Academy, where we teach how to fish for gains. So in today's video, we'll be exploring Sudoswap, which is a decentralized NFT marketplace that allows you to earn fees on your NFTs. So if you found this video useful, do remember to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So quick disclaimer, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own due diligence first before using the platform. So if you go to sudoswap.xyz, you will see this, and you can click on view all collections. And let's say, for example, I want to look at CloneX. I can click on CloneX, and after that, I can sweep. So this sweep function is very similar to Gem or Genie, where you can just look at how much you want to sweep, and then they will tell you the total price. And they say this is actually cheaper in terms of the gas, so you don't have to pay so much in gas fees. But this is not the cool part. So the cool part, like I mentioned earlier, is that you can do a pool. So you go to your pool, and then you create a new pool, and then after that you can choose to buy NFT or sell NFT. So if you want to sell NFT, you deposit your NFT, and if you want to receive, right now you can only receive ETH. And if you want to earn yield on your NFT, you can go to do both. So you select ETH and then you select NFT. So I'm just going to choose a random one, and then I'm going to click next step, and here I can change my fee amount. So I'm just going to put like 5%. Starting price, I'm just going to put 1 ETH, for example, and for delta I'm just going to put 0.1. And on the deposit amount, you can determine how much NFT you want to buy if the price goes down, as well as how much NFT you want to sell as the price goes up. So here you can only put in how much you have in terms of the NFT collection, although they don't stop you from putting in more than what you have, but you should just put in how much you're willing to sell here, and the maximum should be the maximum that you hold as well. So they also have a quick calculator where they will show you, based on this, if you sell all of your NFT, how much you earn, and if you are buying the NFT, how much it's going to cost you. So this is a pretty useful guide on if you are looking to DCA in and DCA out of this pool that you have created. So once you're done, you click on next step, and then you select your NFTs, and then once you're done, you click on approve, and you'll be done. So once you're in the pool details page, you can select your NFTs, and then after that, you can double confirm all of the details, and they will basically tell you that the price will adjust down 0.1 ETH every time you buy, and every time you sell, your price will adjust up by 0.1 ETH. So I don't have 5 Stickman NFT, I only have 3. So if I go ahead with this, I think it will get rejected. That's why you should only put in what you have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!
Baby fish do 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 do, baby fish do do.